Hello, hello, it is the Trading Captain. I'm currently sitting up $14 on the day. As you can see here, I only took 4 trades today, not a lot of trades, and even the results weren't too impressive. Had an okay winner here, but these 3 were relatively scratch trades. So not a lot of momentum to look at. To start with, we had PBM, which was the first stock I was looking at. This one had a nice move up initially. We had some pullbacks. I tried taking this first pullback, got a bit of profit on this bounce, ended up waiting for a breakdown, and I tried to catch this for a curl because I saw we had this fake out here, so I thought it might do it again. A little bit attempted to add here, but considering I didn't time the entry right to begin with, I thought that was unjustified, so I just took half size and didn't add to it. And we did get that bounce, so I did end up getting this nice bounce here for some profit. But once I saw that we had a very large seller coming in here, I decided to not touch it anymore. There was a huge seller pushing this down. And as you can see from the daily chart, this thing ended up rolling over very hard. So not at all upset that I chose not to continue engaging with this. So moving on, we had a lot of other stocks in play. MGRX, you can see this one just ended up selling off hard. ALT, this one sold off hard. INAB, this one was another one that I traded. I was initially looking for a curl here, and I added on this because we saw low volume on this push down. But whenever I saw we were struggling to retest this area, I ended up just cutting the trade here. Looks like the right decision because it did end up rolling over. We had SGBX, basically just a spike and immediate rollover. We had AMST. This one was a little more recovery during the day, but as far as the initial move is concerned, this one just ended up rolling over. And the only other stock that was really in play, I didn't end up touching this, but AZI ended up making a good move during market hours. And even before market hours, this was kind of churning higher throughout the pre-market session. However, I noticed that the spread was very thick and I couldn't really distinguish any of the moves well. So I chose not to engage with it. I did feel this was the highest opportunity, and I even said that in the chat, but yeah, I ended up not engaging with it. It did end up moving, missed out on it. It happens. Considering everything else was not performing well, taking higher risk trades may have been a bad idea. So the fact that I decided not to risk it might have been the right call for today. But yeah, that pretty much wraps up my review for the day. If you liked what you saw here, please do leave a like. Helps me out. I do stream every day from 7 a.m. till 9 a.m. EST for market hours. And I will be back on Monday of next week. Take care, everybody.